Hi, Wally Wells with MarineMax Yacht Center. Today I'm excited to bring you this 2017 Sea Ray 400 Sundancer. This 400 Sundancer was sold new by MarineMax Yacht Center and has been stored in a covered boathouse here on Lake Louisville. The vessel is equipped with twin Cummins 459 horsepower diesel engines with V-drives. There are only 268 hours on the engines, and all the preventative maintenance and services have been performed by MarineMax. The Kohler 11 kW generator has 754 hours. The boat is equipped with a bow and stern thruster with joystick control, making it super easy to maneuver in docking situations. Late model Sundancers like this 400 are of the enclosed cockpit design, which has several advantages. To begin, you pilot the boat from inside the main cabin, allowing you to take in panoramic views while underway and enjoy the comfort of air conditioning or heat depending on the weather conditions. If it's a mild day, you can really open up the interior by using the skylight and the sliding doors in the salon to allow in plenty of sunlight and fresh air. Another advantage to this style is the elimination of practically all the canvas. The only canvas on board are the covers for the cockpit seats and the bow cushions. There's no more handling of bulky, dirty canvas cockpit covers, and you don't have to deal with putting up, taking down, and storing a canvas enclosure. This makes boat ownership much more user-friendly and enjoyable. One of the most popular options is the hydraulic swim platform with steps that automatically deploy when the platform is being lowered. If you're boating in an area where beach access is limited, this becomes your own private beach area, and at night you can create the swimming pool effect using the underwater transom lights. The swim platform may also be used to accommodate a jet ski or a tender. Also at the transom is the gourmet station featuring the Kenyan electric grill with an adjacent sink. The electric grill eliminates the need for storing fuels such as charcoal or propane, and the cockpit area has a table and an L-shaped sofa with storage underneath, including a dedicated storage compartment for 2 ice chests, making them easy to access and put away. With the push of a button, a large overhead retractable awning can be extended to provide shade for the entire cockpit area and keep the sun off the main salon sliding doors. The bow area is a very comfortable space featuring 2 large cushions equipped with adjustable backrests and knee risers, stereo speakers, and drink holders. Also at the bow is a stainless steel plow anchor with electric anchor windlass that can be operated at the bow or from the helm. Inside, the main salon has a large L-shaped sofa with plenty of legroom, and when the sliding door is completely open, the sofa and the cockpit sofa combine to make one continuous seating area. There's an opposing settee on the port side that conceals the main electrical control panel. The sound system controls are conveniently located in this area or can be accessed at the helm display, and there's a large flat screen TV here on the port side of the main salon. Another great advantage to this enclosed cockpit design is the fact that the galley is up and has a 360-degree view of the surroundings and has the optional window in the side glass for ventilation. The galley is equipped with electric stove, microwave, refrigerator, freezer, and storage lockers, everything needed to prepare meals and snacks. The helm is equipped with twin Raymarine flat screen displays for radar, chart plotter, autopilot, sonar, audio, and a variety of other display options. The dash is equipped with the Mercury Vessel View display, or engine data can be viewed from the Raymarine displays. Also at your fingertips is the windlass control for the stainless steel plow anchor at the bow, trim tabs, optional fuel transfer switch, spotlight, windshield wipers, throttle, and joystick controls. There's a double helm seat with flip-up bolsters, and visibility is enhanced by the optional helm window, making it much easier to maneuver into a slip or parallel park at the fuel dock. Down below, the master stateroom is located forward and features a centerline island berth with easy access from each side of the bed. This room is also equipped with an overhead hatch and 2 large windows on each side, providing plenty of sunlight. There are 2 large drawers and a tremendous amount of storage space in the closet and shelves, including this handy pull-out makeup vanity with mirror and seat. The master stateroom has private access to the dayhead, which features a separate shower stall, vacuum flush toilet, and a vanity with a vessel-style sink. The guest stateroom is configured in a beam-to-beam arrangement with windows on each side that really brighten up this space. The bed can be a large double berth or separated to create 2 twin berths. There's a large shelf on the starboard side with lots of storage underneath, a large hanging locker, accent lighting and reading lights, and a flat screen TV. That wraps up this video for the 2017 Sea Ray 400 Sundancer. This is a beautiful boat that was sold here on Lake Louisville originally. Low hours, fresh water, well maintained. If you're interested in this boat, please call the number on the screen. I'm Wally Wells, and for MarineMax, thanks for watching.